In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you install Woocommerce. Click on Plugins and click on Add New. You must wait and search here for Woocommerce. I will wait. And I will click here, right over here, over 5 million installs. And I'm going to install it by clicking on the install button. Okay, it's installed. I'm going to activate it right now by clicking on the blue button. Okay, once we are here, you enter your state and your address. I'm going to enter, for example, Tutorial Street. It's just for the tutorial. Okay, and right over here, I'm going to enter Tutorial Street 2. And yeah, someone lives there. Me. Sorry. Okay. Right over here, you can enter your city. And right over here, you enter your zip code. And let's go. Okay. Let's install Woocommerce. Okay, right over here you can enable PayPal and Stripe, and it will go automatically to the to your PayPal account. And you don't need the settings. If you want it, you can enable them. But I'm going to continue. And once I'm continued, here you can enter your flat rate. I'm gonna continue. No, I'm gonna enter something. Let me say, let me do 1 or something else, the lowest. I'm gonna enter 1, and I'm gonna continue. This depends if you want worldwide shipping. Right over here, you can add some really cool features to Woocommerce, to WordPress, sorry, some applications. And we will continue. And I will wait. And right over here, I'm gonna skip this. You can install Jetpack, but we don't need it in this case. So I'm gonna skip this step. And right over here, you can start selling. So you're ready to sell your products. Okay, I'm gonna click on View and Customize because we're gonna take a look at our website. It's looking pretty empty, I know this because I've did it before, but you must install a theme. And yeah. Okay, and right over here you can see the product section. It's pretty empty and ugly, but because we don't have installed a theme and customized the theme, and I will show you that in the full tutorial. The link is in the description. And right over here you can select your products for your store, and I will exit this. And I will visit my website right now. Okay, the Woocommerce is successfully installed right now. And I'm gonna go to the website. And you see here that there stays my trading block. And the cart is looking empty and ugly again. And in the full tutorial, we completely customize this to a good looking web shop. Okay, the sample page, the shop page, everything we have everything that we need. And then I go to the dashboard. Hit the subscribe button if you want more of those quick and free and easy tutorials. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.